This video is the second in a series of videos on Specviz. We will demonstrate how to select a spectral region within your spectrum for detailed analysis. We first choose the Spectral Subset tool and drag a window over the spectral region of interest. This drop-down allows us to change the subset creation from Replace to Add, which enables the creation of a subset composed of two disconnected spectral regions. The plugin toolbar offers many possible options for interacting with the data. We open up the Model Fitting plugin and select our spectrum and subset we wish to model. In this case, we choose a black body model. We add the model and input our initial guesses. The equation editor allows you to enter multiple components for the model, but in our case, we just have a black body. We name our output data. Finally, we select Fit Model. Overplotted in a black line is the best fit black body model. The model does not appear to have sufficiently converged. In cases such as this, fitting again will complete additional iterations. We do so and find a much better fit. We have now fit our spectrum with a model over a desired spectral region. In our next video, we will show how to interact with Specviz from the notebook by exporting our model fits and further analysis of the residual once loaded back into Specviz.